Hi students, how are you? Had your breakfast? No? Okay, you have to take now. Right. Okay, first of all listen the class. Before going to start our class, once again we have to recall. Okay? So what did you learn in the previous class? Yes, triangle properties. So how many types of properties you have learned? Two types. What are they? An exterior angle is equal to sum of its two interior opposite angles. Okay? So that is ABC is a triangle. BC produced to D. So ACD is called a exterior angle. Okay? So the exterior angle is equal to sum of two interior opposite angles. Okay, and one more property, that is in a triangle AB, equilateral triangle, or all angles are 60 degrees. So that means in an equilateral triangle the sum of all angles in a triangle is equal to 180 degrees. So that means angle A plus angle B plus angle C is equal to 180 degrees. These two properties you have learned in the previous class. Right. Today I am going to introduce you new triangles. Two special triangles. What are they? Two special triangles. Yes. So the triangles are equilateral triangle, and one more is isosceles triangle. Okay, so equilateral triangle. So here two special triangles. What are they? Equilateral triangle and isosceles triangle. So we will learn one by one with explanation. Right? First, equilateral triangle. So do you know equilateral triangle? Yes, equilateral triangle means all sides are equal. All sides are equal. So let ABC is an equilateral triangle here. So all sides, what are the sides here? AB. Okay, AB is equal to BC is equal to CA. So these all sides are equal. Okay now children? Right. Here what about the angles? What about the angles here? Yes, here angle A, angle B, angle C. Three are in an equilateral angle. Angle A, angle B, angle C are angles. So that means angle A is equal to angle B is equal to angle C. Why angle A is equal to angle B is equal to angle C? These three angles are equal. Why? Because angles opposite sides are equal. Okay? Angles opposite sides are equal. Okay? Angle B, opposite side is AC. AC opposite angle is angle B. Since sum of all angles in a triangle, is equal to 180 degrees. 180 degrees. Sum of all angles, three angles we have. So that is angle A plus angle B plus angle C is equal to 180 degrees. Here angle A plus angle B. So angle B is equal to angle C. Angle B is equal to angle A. So that's why I have taken here angle B instead. I am taking angle A. And what about angle C? So this angle is equal to angle A and angle B also. So that's why angle A is equal to 180 degrees. Since here, therefore here angle A is equal to angle B is equal to angle C. Okay, add these three angles. Yes, 3 angle A is equal to 180 degrees. One angle is equal to, that is angle A is equal to 180 degrees by 3. Cancel. Yes, 3 ones 360. That is, therefore angle A is equal to 60 degrees. Here angle A is 60 degrees. Angle B, yes, angle B is also 60 degrees. Angle C is also 60 degrees. In an equilateral triangle, all angles are equal to 60 degrees. Is it clear? In an equilateral triangle, all sides are equal and all angles are equal. Nice. Okay, and one more. Triangle is isosceles triangle. Isosceles triangle. Tell me, isosceles triangle means? Yes, two sides are equal. So in a triangle, how many sides are equal? Two sides are equal. These two sides are equal. Okay. So ABC is a triangle. It has two sides are equal. Okay. So here also observe the opposite angle. Angle A, opposite side is, opposite sides are equal. So opposite side is BC. So that means these are base angles. Base angles, and here angle A is vertical angle. Vertical angle. Okay. So angle opposite sides are equal. We have learnt. Okay. So here you have to observe carefully. If you make this ABC, okay, already I said opposite angle, angle of opposite sides are equal. How? So I will explain you now. Take one isosceles triangle. Okay. So observe here. It is an isosceles triangle. Two sides are equal. Okay. So if you make a replica of angle B, that means you have to place angle B over angle C. So that means it covers totally angle C. Yes. So the angle B is upon angle C. So how much angle B contains angle C also same now. So that's why here angle B is equal to angle C. Okay. That's why these two base angles are equal. Angle B is equal to angle C. These base angles are equal. So that's why in a triangle, the angles of opposite sides are equal. Angles opposite sides are equal. Angles opposite sides are equal. Okay. In a triangle, sides, if you take sides, the opposite angles, if you take this side or this side, okay. So if you take this side, okay, sides opposite angles are equal. Sides in a triangle, here in a triangle, here also in a triangle, sides opposite. So here sides opposite angles are equal. Okay, na? In a triangle, angles opposite sides are equal. In a triangle, sides opposite angles are equal. So this is the isosceles triangle. Okay, in isosceles triangle, one more triangle, that is isosceles right angled triangle. Isosceles right angled triangle. Right angled. In an isosceles right angle means yes 90 degrees. So here ABC is isosceles right angle triangle at B. Here angle A is equal to angle C. AB is equal to BC. AB is equal to BC. So if you observe here in a right angle triangle, in a isosceles right angle triangle, isosceles right angle triangle, AB is equal to BC. Okay, angle B is equal to 90 degrees. We know that sum of angles in a triangle is 180 degrees. So here angle A plus angle B plus angle C is equal to 180 degrees. Okay, here angle A plus B value is, yes, angle B is 90 degrees, angle C is equal to 180 degrees. Now transpose this one, angle A plus angle C is equal to 180 degrees minus 90 degrees, that is 180 minus 90 degrees. Okay, so right here what I said, the angle opposite sides are equal. Okay, so that means angle A is equal to angle C. So that's why here angle A plus angle A is equal to 90 degrees, because angle A is equal to angle C. Now substitute 2 angle A is equal to 90 degrees. So next angle A is equal to 90 degrees by 2. So that is 45 degrees. Angle A is 45 degrees. Angle C is also 45 degrees. Angle B also given. So that is 90 degrees. After observation also, sum of angles in a triangle, right angle triangle, it has 180 degrees. Here in a right angle, isosceles right angles means two angles are equal. One angle is 90. You got or not? 45, 45? Yes, these are the special triangles, equilateral and isosceles triangles. Children, so take your textbooks, page number 123. Try these problems. Here I have drawn on the board. Observe. Find angle x in each figure. Find angle x. You have to find x angle in each figure. Observe here. So here these two sides are equal. Observe, it is A, B, C triangle. Okay, so that one we will draw one by one here. So first one here, solution. So A, B, C. Here the two sides are equal. Here angle x and 40 degrees. Okay. So observe, this AB is equal to AC. Okay. Here AB is equal to AC. You know that in a triangle, the opposite angles of opposite sides are equal. So that sides are A and C. Okay. Side opposite angles are also equal. Okay na? So that means here angle A is equal to angle C. Angle A is equal to angle C. Why? Because angles opposite sides are equal. So that's why here angle x is equal to, so angle x means angle B is equal to angle x. So that is equal to 40 degrees. Next one, second one, observe here. So it is ABC. So this ABC, in ABC triangle, here angle x 45 degrees. You have to find here x angle. So what is the angle for x? Observe here. This BC is equal to AB. Both sides equal. AB is equal to BC. Okay. So that means the angles opposite sides are equal. So here that means angle A is equal to, you have to find which one, which angle you have to find here, x. B opposite side is AC. Okay. So that is AC side. AC is the side to opposite angle. So that is B. So that means angle B, the opposite sides are base angles, base is AC. So that means these base angles are equal or not? Yes. So angle A is equal to angle C. Angle C here 45 degrees. Okay. Angle C is 45 degrees. And what about x value? X value is here. X value. Observe here carefully. So angle C is 45 degrees. Angle A is, yes, 45 degrees. Here also 45 degrees. So sum of these two angles are equal to, yes, 90 degrees. Okay. These two angles are equal to 90 degrees. What about this angle? So what about x? Yes, it is equal to 90 degrees. Sum of all angles equal to 180 degrees. Okay, now observe in the third figure, ABC is a triangle. It contains angle C is 50 degrees. So angle B is x. Angle A, you don't know. Okay, so right. First observe this triangle. So these two sides are equal. That is AC is equal to AB. AC is equal to AB. Okay. So that means the side AC opposite angle is B. That is angle B. So here angle C equal to angle A. Angle C has 50 degrees. Then angle B also 50 degrees. 50 degrees. Then what about angle A? You know that sum of all angles in a triangle, sum of angles of a triangle is 180 degrees. Angle A value, you don't know, so that's why angle A plus angle B is 50 degrees. Angle C is 50 degrees equal to 180 degrees. Angle A 50 plus 50 100 degrees is equal to 180 degrees. Angle A is 180 degrees minus 100 degrees. So subtract these two angles, 80 degrees. 80 degrees is the angle for angle A. Right, children? So in next 4, 5, 6 same problems we have to do yourself. 4, 5, 6 same. Next observe 7th one. So here triangle is given and one exterior angle is also given. Okay, find x value. Find x value. Right. Observe here. So here exterior angle. How an exterior angle is formed? So this side produced to D. Okay. So the exterior angle is formed. The exterior angle is equal to sum of two interior opposite angles. Two interior opposite angles are angle A and angle B. We don't know. So then observe here, we have already given these two sides are equal. AB is equal to AC. Okay na? So solution for this diagram, observe here, this AB is equal to AC. So we have to show 120 degrees. So then how much will be there? How many angles for X and angle A? Observe, so these two sides equal. So 120 degrees means, so if you take X value is 60 degrees and A value is 60 degrees, then only it gives the 120 degrees. Then what about third angle? Yes, that is also 60 degrees. So these two adjacent supplementary forms a linear pair. 60 degrees plus 120 degrees, 180 degrees. Sum of angles in a triangle is 180 degrees. Okay, so 120 degrees is equal to the sum of two interior opposite angles. Then what is the angle for X? 60 degrees. Okay, right. Next to same 8th one, you have to observe. So here one exterior angle given. These two sides are, so here A, B, C. In triangle A, B, C, triangle A, B, C. So here an exterior angle is 110 degrees. Already given AC length is equal to BC. AC length is equal to BC. So that means angle A is equal to angle B also equal. So here angle B is X. So what is the angle X? The interior opposite angles forms that are equal to 110 degrees. Okay, so 2 equal. So divide 2, it gives, yes, 55 degrees. Then what is the angle for X? 55 degrees. 55 gives 110 degrees. Right. Next to and 9th one. Here an exterior angle is 30 degrees. Find X. So observe here, it is triangle ABC. In a triangle ABC, AB is equal to BC. Okay, here 30 degrees 30 degrees given. Then what about this angle? What about that angle? Find. Observe here two lines these are two lines. Okay, so two lines are intersected. So that means vertically opposite angles are equal. So what is the angle for C? Angle C. So here, right. So here angle ACB is equal to 30 degrees. Why? The vertically opposite angles are equal. Okay. Now what is the angle A? Angle A is equal to angle ACB because angles opposite sides are equal. Angles opposite sides are equal. Okay, angles opposite sides are equal. That's why X value is equal to 30 degrees. X value is equal to 30 degrees. Right, children? Next, second problem from page number 124. So here some of the figures given. Find angle X and Y in each figure. So you have to find here two unknown angles. Okay na? You have to do yourself. You have to try this. So this is homework to you. So today homework is homework is try this. Try this page number 123, question number 1, 4, 5, 6 and page number 124, question number 2. Question number 2, 1, 2, 3. So this is today your homework. Okay children, bye.